In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send invoice reminders in Xero. Managing finances and ensuring invoices get paid on time can be a bit overwhelming, but with Xero, things are about to get a lot easier. Let's dive right into the process, step by step, to streamline how you handle your invoicing tasks with the help of invoice reminders. First, head on over to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. There, you'll see several options. What you want to do is click on Sales. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu, and you should select Invoices from the list. This will bring you to a page that shows a comprehensive list of all your existing invoices. It's a central hub where you can keep track of everything, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Once you're on the Invoices page, you'll notice an option labeled Invoice Reminders. Go ahead and click on it. This action will turn on the feature and direct you to a setup page tailored specifically for managing your reminders. It's an essential tool you'll soon find you can't live without. On this setup page, you'll find various options to configure the reminders according to your preferences. At this point, you'll need to check a box that says Email Customers when an invoice is. This is crucial because it allows you to automate the process, saving you time and keeping your payment schedule tight. Now, we move on to an important detail, deciding when the reminders should start being sent out to your customers. Xero provides a few default options for you: 7 days, 14 days, and 21 days overdue. What's great about Xero is that flexibility is built in. If you feel like these default settings suit your business needs, you can stick with them. However, you're free to customize these settings to fit any specific requirements you might have. Simply edit the number of days overdue that makes the most sense for your operations. Once you've configured the settings to your satisfaction, the final step is to click the Save button. With that click, you're all set, and your invoice reminders are now automated, ensuring invoices are flagged and followed up on without you having to lift a finger. It's a simple measure that can make a huge difference in maintaining a healthy cash flow, allowing you to focus on growing your business rather than chasing unpaid invoices. And there you have it. By setting up automatic invoice reminders in Xero, you'll streamline your invoicing process, reduce overdue payments, and free up valuable time. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel equipped to make the most of this handy feature. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy accounting with Xero.